Hi all, this is Archana Jain from Stralin Consulting Services and welcome back to episode 2 of Messy Digital Transformations. In my first episode, we talked about what it means to get your organization ready for doing a digital transformation, talked briefly about data being a key pillar for a successful transformation. In this episode, we take a deep dive into the role data plays when planning a digital transformation journey. Let's look at some of the data related challenges that an organization like yours is today facing and the impact of it on a digital transformation journey. When making a decision to start a journey for transforming your organization and its processes, you must add these as well to your criteria for defining a very successful outcome of your transformation journey. While you see a lot of data related challenges, let's talk about the top 3 or 4 challenges that really impact an organization day in, day out, and are critical to the decision making process. Let's start with fragmented and siloed data to start off with. There are multiple sources for these. Data could be coming from your legacy systems. Legacy systems weren't necessarily designed to be digitized for automation or process re engineering. Sometimes, when you are using a legacy system, you have alternate systems coming up because they are either not having a complete integration with the auxiliary or peripheral systems, or they are not capable of handling some of the more complex workflows. Ensure you are doing your due diligence of what data is relevant from these systems for doing your transformation. You could also get a lot of siloed data through various merger and acquisition activities that your organization might have been a part of. Make sure you look at those very closely because most probably people integration might have happened, but not necessarily your data integration would have happened. Data quality, another key factor. Is your data really worth trusting for doing a transformation? Organizations themselves are skeptical about it and would like to make sure that data is re-looked at for being trustworthy data for transformation journey or not. How about business reporting challenges that enable your business to make quick decision making using the right analytics from your data? And also, of course, last but not the least, assessing your data to see how well it meets the current and future needs of your customer, a very important aspect of doing any digital transformation. You are probably aware of most of these challenges, as I said earlier. However, how is this data being used now in the transformation journey to enable your transformation, the roadmap for your transformation, for making it successful and meet all the required functions? When doing the due diligence for your digital transformation, make sure that you start off along with all the other functions, your data strategy also. That is equally important for defining the roadmap for your transformation. It should also include your data integration understanding, right? How are the various systems integrated today? What functions, what processes are working, what processes are siloed, and how is the data being treated across these various boundaries. Make sure you understand all that. Make sure you capture your metadata, very important. What are your data structures? What is your master data? What is your transactional data? What is relevant in these data areas? And what should your future transformation look at as part of the transformation of the processes and workflows and people transformation? Ensure all that is covered. Another large aspect of defining your roadmap for your digital data transformation, if I may say so, is your data governance. Your data governance includes both your data governance standards as well as your data governance adoption. They are very important in ensuring that not only you define the roadmap ahead of how your data will be managed, but also how it will be maintained, and there will be no challenges down the road once the system goes live and the data does not get corrupted. So take care of both of these aspects, your data strategy, your data management strategy, as well as your data governance. Another key area that I want to bring, which has nothing to do with the system, the people, the process, but the team that you're bringing in. A lot of the time, I have seen that data transformation digital transformation programs, they start without a data expert. Please make sure that your initial team that you're putting together has this role very clearly defined. This person or this team of people will make sure that your data strategy has been taken care of, your roadmap for your data transformation has been taken care of, your data governance is defined, as well as the future adoption of this data governance is also being captured. This will, of course, go into some of the change management areas, but nevertheless, it needs to be taken care of up ahead. So ensure you are bringing in the right skills and you are making sure that right from day one, your data expert is looking at the data aspects along with your process, your functional, and your technical teams looking at the other aspects of your transformation journey. Stralin's data-powered transformation approach is designed to ensure that when you're doing your digital transformation, your data is at the core of your decision making and is driving a lot of the transformation roadmap for a very successful transformation journey for your organization. Call us to know more about how we can help you with your transformation journey and make it a success for you. This is Archana signing off. Stay tuned for our next podcast, which will talk about how you can achieve goals which may look unrealistic in the beginning, but you can very well achieve them with some of the key insights that I will be sharing with you.